How to do a trial balance. Assets and expenses have debit balances. Liabilities, income, and capital have credit balances. Use the balances from the ledger accounts. General ledger. Total the larger side. Carry the difference to the smaller side. Some accounts do not have multiple transactions to balance off. Sales ledger. When both sides are the same, the account is closed off and does not go to the trial balance. Purchases ledger. Cash book. Amounts carried down on all ledger accounts go to the trial balance. Sales is income and is credited. Purchases is an expense and is debited. Capital is credited. Carriage inwards is an expense and is debited. Carriage outwards is an expense and is debited. Drawings is capital with a debit balance and it's debited. Insurance is an expense and is debited. Returns inwards is an expense and is debited. Returns outwards is income and is credited. Cash is an asset and it's debited. Bank is an asset and it's debited. Discount allowed is an expense and it's debited. Discount received is income and it's credited. Delivery vehicle is an asset and it's debited. Account receivable is an asset and it's debited. Accounts payable is a liability and it's credited. Utilities is an expense and it's debited. Rent of premises is an expense and it's debited. Salaries is an expense and it's debited. Bank loan is a liability and it's credited. Repairs is an expense and it's debited. Office equipment is an asset and it's debited. Interest charges is an expense and it's debited. Add up the debit side and the credit side. The figures should be equal. Income and expenses go to the income statement. Assets, liabilities, and capital go to the balance sheet. Test yourself. Debit or credit? Sales. Credit. Purchases. Debit. Capital. Credit. Carriage inwards. Debit. Carriage outwards. Debit. Drawings. Debit. insurance, debit, returns inwards, debit, returns outwards, credit, cash, debit, bank, debit, discount allowed, debit, discount received, credit, delivery vehicle, debit, account receivable, debit, accounts payable, credit, utilities, debit, rent of premises, debit, salaries, debit, bank loan, credit, repairs, debit, office equipment, debit, interest charges, debit, income statement or balance sheet, sales, income statement, purchases, income statement, capital, balance sheet, carriage inwards, income statement, carriage outwards, income statement, drawings, balance sheet, insurance, income statement, returns inwards, income statement, returns outwards, income statement, cash, balance sheet, bank, balance sheet, discount allowed, income statement, discount received, income statement. Delivery vehicle, balance sheet. Accounts receivable, balance sheet. Accounts payable, balance sheet. Utilities, income statement. Rent of premises, income statement. Salaries, income statement. Bank loan, balance sheet. Repairs, income statement. Office equipment, balance sheet. Interest charges, income statement.